my friends from the world. This is a sensontle. It's made out of clay, transversal whistle.
Okay.
It can make you like 1,000 sounds off of it. This is a sensontle.
That's awesome.
You can make different sounds with it.
Okay.
This is a chirimia from whistle. This is a small corina.
That's so awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Ray with the Galloping Grandpa, and I'm here on the street in the town square of Morelia, Mexico. Just met this amazing gentleman. He makes these things himself. I'm going to let him do a little bit more there for me so we could get an idea of how that's done. Then I'm going to purchase a couple of them from him. What's your name, sir?
Roberto Sanchez.
Roberto Sanchez. And how can I find you on Facebook or somewhere like that?
Okay,
Roberto?
you can find me on Facebook. Killer Inc. Roberto. Killer Inc.
Killer Inc.
Roberto.
Roberto.
You
Okay.
can find me on Facebook like that.
Awesome. Give me a couple more little whistles on that thing, and
Okay.
then let me purchase a couple of them.
This is a gorrioncillo. This is a martincillo. And this is all together.
All the birds in the house. That's awesome, man. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, I want to purchase a couple of them.
You're welcome, bro.
Awesome. Thank you, Roberto.
You're welcome.
What is